What's up, YouTube? TMZ1313 here. Today I just want to give you guys an idea of how to make a garage urinal. If you're in your garage like I am all the time, you gotta have somewhere to take a piss. I found out the solution of making a urinal inside. Now you might think that this is kind of nasty, having a urinal in your garage, and it kind of is, but I did the best I could to make sure that it's going to stay clean, or try to keep it clean. And I'll show you what I did there in a minute. So first of all, I would like to show you how I built it. Basically, I took a propane tank, made sure it's empty, opened the valve, took the valve off of the bottom, or on the top of it. That's normally where the valve would go. And what I did was fill it all the way up with water. When you do that, you get all that propane gas out, and then you could grind it. Once I made a little window to grind it out of, and then I ground it out, and then made sure the edges weren't really sharp, because you don't want that to happen. The sharp edges and taking a piss don't match, especially when you had a few drinks. So that's basically what I did. I just flipped it upside down and did that. I did put a hole in the back. You can tell right there. Just stuck a little hole in there. And as you can tell, there is water. It's actually just sucking all that water out. And then I got a little valve right here, and then a bucket full of water. In the winter time, I'll put some alcohol in there to keep it from freezing, but meanwhile, it's still fall time. We don't have to worry about that. So in time being, that's I'm just gonna have straight water. So anyways, and then I got a drain that goes straight out the back into my alley. The alley has rocks and stuff, so it's perfect for that. I mounted it with these two screws in the back. They do have a rubber grommet or a washer on the back, so they're waterproof. And I'll show you that in a second, how I did that. So once you get done doing your business, you just turn this valve on. It's brand new, so it's kind of sticky. And then that kind of squirts everywhere and gets it in there and goes down the drain. Simple as that. That's to flush out your piss and keep it clean. Every now and then, I'm actually thinking about putting bleach water in there, and but I don't know how that's gonna react to the plastic. I got to research that, but pretty good. I painted the propane tank, because it was all rusted up, kind of like that. Painted it inside and out, made it look nice. Turned out really well, so this would be a good idea. I mean, if you're thinking about doing it yourself, here you go. Here's a perfect plan of how to do it. Yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe, like, and share this video, and give me a thumbs up if you like it. Alright guys, I'll see you later.